Namaste, myself Nikhil from Divine Music School. Hope you are doing good, and we are moving toward our third chapter, which are the finger exercise on the notes which we have given you before. So just revision. This hole is called Tivma. After this hole, this is first hole closed is Ga. Both the hole closed, it will be Re, and three hole closed, it will be Sa. To improve your sound quality, you should at least give 2 minutes to all the notes. The fluctuation will be less, and while playing the note you should hear it also, and because you will sing with the note, the same note you can hear. It is the first step of ear training also. You have to listen your notes. To take every time take a long breath and do the notes simultaneously, like do it for 2 minutes, then go for 2 minutes and try Sa for at least 5 minutes. It improves the length of the sound. Like if you are doing for 10 seconds, you will practice this daily, it will go for 15 to 16 seconds and even more, and the sound quality also improves. So what you do now, if the three holes are coming, whenever you try to play, the holes are coming exactly what you want, the sound is good, so you can good to go to the next exercise. If you want to play Sa and it is coming on the first time, and every time you play it is coming very easily, so we can go with the finger exercises in these holes. Okay, so it should be like that. If you're playing like this and you're playing Sa, so it should come fluently. If now you are okay with all the holes and the sound is coming around 10 to 15 seconds, then this exercise is for you. And now we are doing some finger exercises. The first exercise is, in one breath you have to go to Sa, Re, Ga, Ma. You have to achieve in one breath like this. Now you have to come the opposite direction. So it is generally ascending distance. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa. Repeat it for like 50 times and do it very slowly, and try to maintain a same gap between the notes, like Sa and the same gap between Re and same gap between Ga and Ma. So simultaneously you will do like this. Take a deep breath again. So this is your first exercise, and if your breath is good, you can do the opposite, ascending and descending in the same blow like this. So like this you can do if your breath increases. So try to go take 2 breaths when you are doing at the beginning stage, and if you are confident you can go for the ascending and descending in one blow. Now the third exercise is to get the finger movements more correctly. So one note you have to do as many times at your which your breath allows you. One blow you can do Sa Re, 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 Sa Re. The next breath, Re Ga, 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 and it should be slowly. Ga Ma, 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 Ga Ma. Then take again a deep breath. Ma Ga Ma, Ga Ma, Ga Ma, Ga Ma, Ga Ma, Ga. Ga Re Ga Re Ga Re Ga Re Ga Re Ga Re Ga Re. Re Sa Re Sa Re Sa Re Sa Re Sa Re Sa Re Sa. Repeat the same thing in your mind also to get the correct timing here. So your mind and the fingers should be at the same pace. It should have some connectivity. Okay. If you are comfortable with this exercise, and the last exercises, you have to take now 2 notes. Like first we are taking 2 notes, now you have to take 3 notes. Sa re ga re, multiple times. Sa re ga re, then re ga ma ga, re ga ma ga, re ga ma ga, then the descending ma ga re ga ma ga re ga ma ga re ga ga re sa re ga re sa re ga re sa re. Don't count it, go according to your breath. In one breath you can do 10 times, it is good. You can do 5 times, it is good. Do at least that much time that your breath allows you, right? And don't do it very fast. Like, this is a wrong way to practice when you are in this stage. Do it slowly, because we are trying to get the fingers at the correct position, because we can't see the holes. So we have to do it many times and very consciously and at a slow speed to get the correct fingering position. Then next is so 2-3 things you have to remember. Whenever you're playing, you have to be straight, and do not open your finger too much, and do not open this too low also. It should be around 50%. Okay, don't do like this. It should be like this, 50% open, and don't do it fast. The beat should be, you have to give equivalent time to every note. Don't be very fast. And whenever you start, you should at least do a warm-up of 15 minutes, which are the long notes. Then you start with the exercises and follow the exercises at the same way which have been given you. If you are very confident in the first exercise and you have done the exercise, then only go for the second one. You don't have to do all the exercises. Clear the first exercise, then go to the second exercise, then go to the third exercise. This is the exercise which we have given you for 7 days. So try to don't do any exercise which you are, don't skip the exercises, and do not if your exercise is not complete, don't go to the next exercise. Try to fix that exercise first, then we can go to the next exercise. 2-3 things you should always keep this in mind before playing the flute. And hope you understand this lesson. This is a simple lesson to get the fingers movement correctly on the beginning 4 holes, which are the ma, ga, re, sa, and these are the medium notes. Hope you enjoyed this lesson and you learned something valuable. Thank you for your time. Namaste.